With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So question says that which one of the following substance used in dry cleaning, right, is a better strategy to control the environmental pollution, right? So let's check it. Option one by one, right? So option A says that tetrachloroethylene, right? So option says that tetrachloroethylene can be used for dry cleaning is a better strategy to control environmental pollution, right? So what is the formula for tetrachloroethylene, right? So it is you can say that this compound is look like this tetrachloroethylene, right? So this is tetrachloroethylene, right? So I can say this compound tetrachloroethylene is a very stable compound, highly stable compound and highly volatile, right? So I can say that this compound is highly stable, right? This compound is highly stable and or you can say highly volatile, right? So you can say that this is volatile, right? Volatile, right? So and organic solvent which is used in organic reaction, right? So it's a good excellent organic solvent, right? It is an excellent organic solvent, right? And non-inflammable, right? Or you can say non-flammable, 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 right? So these are the property of this compound, right? So I think this is the compound which can be used for the dry cleaning, right? Because this is highly stable, that means it does not decompose into harmful compound, right? So it does not react with any other species, right? So that means it does not produce any environmental pollution, right? And it is highly volatile, right? And it is highly volatile, right? So this is the best for dry cleaning, right? And this is a, since it is a liquid nature, so it is a liquid solvent, right? So use best for dry cleaning, right? So and non-flammable, right? So this is good for this you can say for dry cleanings. I think this is the best you can say better strategy to control environmental pollution, right? And if we talk about the option B, right? If we talk about option B is a sulfur dioxide, right? Sulfur dioxide, and option C is carbon dioxide, right? And option D is nitrogen dioxide, right? NO2, right? Here you can see that all these options SO2, CO2, and NO2, right? These are the gases, right? These are the gases, right? These are the gases, and these gases are you can say that the produce harmful effect on the environment, since they are the you can say greenhouse gases, and they produce a negative effect on the environment, right? So they cannot be used for dry cleaning, and they there that means there's a excess concentration of these gases produce environmental pollution, right? So we are left only with the correct answer, that is option A, right? So I can say that the option A is the correct answer because it is highly stable, volatile, organic solvent, and non-flammable, which is best for the dry cleaning, and it is which is also best for the to control the environmental pollution, right? Because if there is high concentration in the environment, right? So since it is highly stable, so it does not react with any species, right? And so due to this nature, it does not cause any environmental pollution, right? And on the other hand side, the SO2, CO2, and NO2, their excess concentration leads to the greenhouse effect, right? So I can say that the option A is the correct answer, and the option B, C, and D are the wrong answer. So we are left with the answer A, that is tetrachloroethylene. So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.